Kate here, WTI. Now, if you have a messy project coming up, save yourself a ton of cleanup with these drop cloths from RAINHOL. Now, we personally had a huge painting project. We were spray painting our 2-story living room ceiling, which, as you know, if you're living in the space that you're spray painting, what a disaster. So we had to do a lot of prep. This set came with 12 drop cloths. They are 9 by 12 feet. So really generous size. So we were able to tape them up all around the perimeter of our room, lay it on the floor. In our loft, we were able to cover up some of our things to keep it free from paint splatter. I've dropped paint several times. I dropped my bucket twice, once off of the scaffolding. And thanks to these drop cloths, my walls were safe, my floors were safe. There was not a bunch of paint everywhere when I moved the drop cloth. So I was really thrilled about that. It's a nice durable plastic as well. So we had started off with just dollar store plastic. Check out the difference in tear resistance. So these ones are really great. They don't tear easily, whereas obviously the dollar store version, really thin and tears super easily. So if you're looking for high quality drop cloths for whatever project you're gonna be doing, I think you'll be thrilled with these ones, and that's my point of view.